What's going on, guys? My name is Captain Michael Sharky Marquez. I own and operate a fishing charter company out of Galveston, Texas. And today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to clean your catch. The first method is going to be for a scaled fish, like a black drum, sheep's head, and redfish. First, you wanna make sure that you have a good cleaning table and a sharp fillet knife. Begin by making a lateral cut, starting from behind the gills, going around the rib cage, down to the anal fin. Next, you'll want to turn the knife towards the tail and begin cutting alongside the backbone, but not through it. Once the fillet is removed from the fish, start half an inch up from the tail and make a downward cut. This will allow you a good place to get a grip. Slide the knife down the fillet with a slight sawing motion until the meat is fully removed from the scales. Repeat these steps on the other side of the fish as well. Once complete, double check for any leftover bones that you may have missed. Thoroughly rinse your fillets with water before putting them on ice to ensure freshness. Soft-skinned fish like speckled trout, Spanish mackerel, and pompano will be filleted the same as a scaled fish. If you catch a soft-skinned fish like a flounder, the first few steps of the cleaning process are going to be slightly different. The major fillets are on the top of the fish. First, make a slight curved cut around the gills of the flounder. This cut should go down to the bones, but not through them. Next, find the lateral line that runs down the middle of the fish. Starting at the center of your initial cut, slide the fillet knife down to the tail. Once this step is complete, the cut should look like an uppercase T. Use your thumb to lift the fillet from the backbones as you continue making your cuts. Repeat this step until the fillet is fully removed from the fish. Once the fillet is free, you can use the same techniques as a scaled fish to remove the skin. Be sure to rinse the fillets with water and preserve on ice. Now your catch is ready to be cooked. Stop by your local Academy store to pick up the perfect seasoning combinations for your meal.